Minister wa ugitiri Fred Matiang'i ni oritie Kenya gutwarithia na mbere mihango yao hatari kwihuga ugitiri wao ni amu ruhonge rwa ugitiri rwicemba kugacirithia thayu riri twerekeire gucokerwo kwa githurano kio president na arutwo kwambiriria igeranio ciao.
That we must look after all of us together, and even in the face of the most extreme provocation, remember that we have a country and we have wananchi, and many of our people, the greater population of this country, are people who want very simple, straightforward things in this life: a working environment, an opportunity for them to earn a living and move forward.
Horeru uyu arekereirie ni Minister Matiang'i hindi ya kigomano na arugamiriri ugitiri kaunti-ini ciothe amwe na maabithaa angĩ a kuigithia thayu kiria gikurongoreirie kumenyithia ministry ya ugitiri uria meharĩrĩirie hari kurugamirira githurano.
It is because of your focus and commitment and your sense of preparedness. That is how we ended up with a very peaceful, well-managed election on 8th of August. And because we know that, and we have that capacity, and we have that experience, let's do it again.
Matiang'i ni oritie maabithaa ya gutigirira ni mahuthira hinya wao na njira igwete kuona urugari wa kiuteti no urabatira guku bururi-ini ari thiku nini ndigaru akenya macokeire feine.
Let's act within the law, and we'll be firm, objective, but most importantly, if we are going to be even-handed and we treat everyone equally, chances are that we will be able to shepherd our country forward.
Mwena-ini wake munene wa ruhonge rwa borithi Joseph Boynet ni ugite ruhonge rwa borithi ni rwihariirie na njira igwete gutungata Kenya rute guthutukania.
An endeavor to deliver a safe and a secure environment for the people of this country to exercise their democratic right in the upcoming presidential elections.
Mwena-ini wa githomo, Minister wa Matiang'i ni ugite tariki cia kigeranio itigocenjio ona thengia wa githurano gugatabanio tariki 26 mweri-ini wa 10.
We have just adjusted the school timetable and school calendar slightly to allow the primary schools to close by the 25th and to allow Form 1 to Form 3 students to close school by the 24th, so that then we give way for the conduct of the presidential election on the 26th.
Hari ugaruruku uria wikirwo thukuru ciothe ikahingwo tariki 24 mweri-ini wa 10 tigo arutwo kirathi kia Form 4 aria magatigwo magithie na mbere na igeranio ciao. Nakio kigeranio kiria kingiaikarirwo thi tariki 26 giathongio nginyagia tariki 30 mweri-ini wa 10.
Ni kiungano kiria kurehete hamwe maabithaa ugitiri wothe bururi-ini kwarĩrĩria uria bururi wiharĩrĩtie hindi ya githurano na hindi ya igeranio. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV, njeta kama wa Mwangi.